2025, AI tools are everywhere, but do you really need a flagship phone to run them? Not at all. Today we'll break down the best budget smartphones that can power tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and even coding apps without burning your wallet. Whether you're a student, content creator, or developer on the go, this list is for you. Section 1. What do AI creators need in a phone? Must-have features: minimum 8GB RAM for multitasking. Powerful mid-range chip, Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, Dimensity 8200 or higher. AMOLED or high refresh display for visual tools like Midjourney, Leonardo. Good thermals for long AI sessions. Strong internet/Wi-Fi support for real-time access. We're not just talking about casual use. If you're running web-based AI tools, coding platforms, voice AI, or creative workflows, these specs are your new minimum. Section 2. Top 3 budget smartphones. Tested, realistic plus detailed breakdown. Focus on Indian and global markets. 1. iQOO Neo 7 Pro, RS 30,000, $370, Snapdragon 8 Plus, Gen 1 8's flagship level chip, 120 Hz, AMOLED display, great thermals and charging speed. Perfect for devs and AI users who want power with stability. 2. Nothing Phone 2A, RS 25,000, $320, MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro, clean software, minimal bloat, unique design, and solid performance. This one's a great pick if you want that aesthetic plus its functionality. 3. Poco X6 Pro, $24,000, $290, Dimensity 8300 Ultra equals beastly for the price, 120 Hz, AMOLED plus good GPU UFs, 4.0 storage equals fast app loading, an underdog that performs like a champ. Section 3. Real-world AI tool test. Briefly explain your hands-on testing results. ChatGPT, web/app. Smooth across all 3. Bing Copilot plus stable diffusion. Fast response, no major heating. Python IDEs like PyDroid, VS Code Web. Worked great on iQOO and Poco Midjourney via Discord. Web. Display sharpness really helped on AMOLEDs. Surprisingly, even the lower-priced Poco matched the performance of a RS50K phone for most AI tasks. Section 4. Bonus insights plus final verdict performance benchmarks. Let's quickly look at some benchmark scores to help you decide based on raw performance. Phone, Geekbench Multi, and AnTuTu score. Thermals. iQOO Neo 7 Pro, $4,300. Plow 1.2. Stable. Nothing Phone 2A, $2,900, $730K. Cool. Poco X6 Pro, $4,100, R11M. Slight warm under load. These scores show just how much value phones like the Poco X6 Pro and iQOO Neo 7 Pro deliver. Near flagship performance without the flagship price. Design, battery, and UI experience, but specs aren't everything. Here's what matters if you're working long hours on AI tools. iQOO Neo 7 Pro, bold, gamer-style look. Battery lasts 1 full day with AI plus dev use. FunTouch OS equals customizable but bloated. Nothing Phone 2A, sleek, clean, unique. Glyph interface equal aesthetic bonus. Near stock Android equals smooth UI. Poco X6 Pro, solid build. MIUI equals decent but has ads. 5000 mAh plus 6067W fast charging equal great combo. So if clean UI is your priority, go nothing. If performance is king, go iQOO or Poco. Bonus pick, Realme GT Neo 3T. If you can grab it during a sale under Rs28K, the Realme GT Neo 3T with Snapdragon 870 is still a reliable performer with excellent stability and charging. Who should buy what? Power users and devs. Go for iQOO Neo 7 Pro aesthetic-focused creators. Choose Nothing Phone 2A. Best value overall, Poco X6 Pro, hard to beat. All 3 phones passed our AI tool stress test, so you're future ready even on a budget. Choose the one that fits your style and workflow. Hit. Like if this helped, drop a comment on your current setup and subscribe for more daily tech insights, only on Codeless Craft.
Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.